So a few quick notes on using ALEX. Once you complete your diagnostic assessment, you will have what is called the ALEX Pi. I mentioned this in another video, but you will not need to work on the ALEX Pi during this class at all. And so please do not come over here and click Start My Path, because if you click Start My Path, it is going to have you work on the things in ALEX that you don't need to be working on. Instead, what we should do is come up to assignments. So I hit those 3 bars right there. We're going to go to assignments, and we'll see that some assignments here are upcoming or currently closed. I'm going to adjust that really quickly. So at any rate, when you come in, you will have some assignments here that are open. These assignments are going to match These assignments are going to match the assignments that you will see when you click on that respective week in the course plan. And so I'm doing this way ahead of our class, starting by about 2 weeks. But when you log in, the things that are listed here are going to match the things that are listed open here in ALEX. And so you'll have those things to complete with the due date of June 1 over here. You can see that I only opened a few of them. There are a couple others that are also due on June 1. The reason that I wanted to run through this with you is that I need you to understand that when you do an assignment, for each question, you are going to get 3 opportunities to do that question. And so I'm just going to randomly select answers here and see what happens. I'm going to check my work. It looks like that one's correct. I get a second shot at it. I'm going to recheck. I got it wrong a second time. I'm going to get a third shot at it. So I can try another. And I can try another 3 times for each one of these questions. The other piece is, let's say that I do this assignment and I get a score that I'm unhappy with. I can redo the assignment 3 times, and I will only have to redo the problems that I missed. And so this is going to be true for every homework assignment that you get in ALEX. You will get 3 attempts on each question, and you can redo the assignment an unlimited number of times. I'm going to say that again. You will get 3 attempts at each question per time that you try the assignment, and then you will get an unlimited number of attempts on the assignment. So you can do the assignment over and over and over again until you get a score that you like. Okay, I'm going to save that for later. The other piece to understand is that with exams, you'll notice that you have 3 attempts on the exam. It is also a quick retake, meaning that you only need to do the problems that you got wrong when you did it the first time. So let's say that I'm taking this exam and I get 5 out of 10 correct, and I miss 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. When I come back to give this a second attempt, I will only need to redo 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it's worth, in ALEX, making sure that you are taking the opportunity to redo homework assignments as many times as possible. You'll see that now that I've started, if you are not getting the score that you like, you'll see that now that I've started the test, these other things are locked. Again, I can redo a test. I can do a test up to 3 times, and only my best score is going to be recorded. And I am only going to need to redo problems that I missed the first time that I tried them. So again, 3 is an important number to remember. When you're working in a homework assignment, you get 3 attempts per problem and an unlimited number of attempts to redo that assignment. When you're working on a test, you get 3 attempts to redo that test, and you only need to redo the ones that you missed the first time or the second time that you did it.